Hi, I am Israel Junbi Saludo. I am from Alegria, Lobok, Bohol, and I am the youngest member of our family. I was born and raised with my family who are into music. My father is a guitarist, my mother is a ukulele player, and my sister is a clarinist. And me, as the youngest member of our family, I've learned what instruments they have learned. I play guitar, ukulele, clarinet, trombone, trumpets, and even flute. But what I am most interested is playing piano. So when I was grade 12, I decided to buy a piano. But piano is too expensive and it costs around 70 to 100,000. So I bought a keyboard and that keyboard only cost 3,000 pesos. And that my musical life begins.
Now, I'll be showing you how to create an emotional chord progression using piano. But first, what is chord progression? Chord progression is a set of chords put together in a pattern. I'll be showing you the different kinds of chord progression. So this is C major, this is D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B minor, and then C major. For example, I'll play the chord progression to the key of C. So that progression is C, G, A minor, and F. Then back to C major. The question may be also clarified by separating emotions in notated music into immanent emotion, or the emotion that is latent in the score, and the performed emotion, or the emotion that is contributed by the individual performer. Since I am going to create a melody, so this whole thing will be called performed emotion. Because I am going to create an emotional chord progression, we'll be gonna use the key of C. So we know that the key of C and that progression is C, G, A minor, and F. But now, let's have a little twist. Instead of starting with C major, let's start at A minor, then F, then G, and then we're not gonna go back in C major. Instead, we're gonna replace it like A minor or E minor. Now, let's combine all of the progressions we have made. If you want more emotional in this piano, we will add some note in the piece. So we're gonna have the B note, the C, and the G note. Now, let's add it in our chord progression. Now, if you want more and more emotional, try to hit the single key of the chords of our chord progression. We have A minor. Then we hit the single key of the chord of our chord. Then let's mix it up in our melody. Now let's add it together and it sounds like this. And it will sound like this. Generally, if you feel happy or sad, your emotions will be translated in the harmony of the piano. So I encourage you to try the chord progressions that I have shown to you, and I hope you find your path in through music. Thank you.